Innal hamdalillah nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa na'udzu billahi min shururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. Man yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa man yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Wa asyhadu anna la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarika lahu wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Fa'auzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani wa yafqahu qawli. Welcome to my channel QCRBD. QCRBD is a channel of sharing knowledge in order to understand Quran. Today is our lesson 22. In this lesson we will try to discuss how to express have, has, had, haven't, hasn't and hadn't in Arabic. Let's discuss the three particles inda, ladayya and li. These three will be used to express this type of sentence have, has and had. Let's start how to use li. Li already we have discussed in our previous lesson how to use li, as because this is related to these topics, today's topics. That's why I have again brings this li here. So li means belongs to. Belongs to, you can say by right or by law of the country. Like I have two sons. To be li ibnani. And if you want to say I had two sons, just before this li ibnani, you just put kana. I had two sons. Kana li ibnani. The li means belong to. Li ibnani means belong to me two sons. It is the same things. I have two sons. This is the way the li is used to express I have. And kana is the past tense to make the sentence past tense. Li ibnani is the present tense. If we put kana before the sentence, the whole sentence will be past tense. I had two sons. The kana li ibnani. Now, if we want to make this two sentence negative, then how to make the sentence negative? I don't have two sons. Just before the sentence, we have to put laisa. Laisa make the present tense negative. Laisa li ibnani. And for past tense, I didn't have two sons. Just we have to put another particles ma. Ma negate the past tense. Kana li ibnani, I had two sons. Ma kana li ibnani, I didn't have two sons. And this is the way the li can be used to express have, has and had. The same things we can do by using inda or ladayya. Inda and ladayya do the same things. For example, he has a new book. Ladayyahu kitabun jatidun. Just we have to put this preposition, pronouns. We have to put the pronouns after. We have to attach these pronouns with the ladayya, or we can put inda. Ladayyahu, or we can say indahu. Ladayyahu or indahu kitabun jadidun. Now he doesn't have a new book. Just this is present tense. We have to put what? Laisa. Laisa ladayyahu kitabun jadidun. Or we can say laisa indahu kitabun jadidun. Now for past tense, I had a new book. Just ladayyahu kitabun jadidun. This means he has a new book. Now to make it past tense, he had a new book. We have to put kana. Kana ladayyahu kitabun jadidun. Very simple. To make this past tense sentence negation, then we have to put ma. Ma kana ladayyahu kitabun jadidun. He didn't have a new book. Here I have put ladayya, but everywhere you can put inda. Indahu kitabun jadidun, or laisa indahu kitabun jadidun. Kana indahu kitabun jadidun. Ma kana indahu kitabun jadidun. Very simple. And now you may remember this the object and subject pronoun. I just recall again for your easy understanding. These are the 14 of subject pronouns and these are the 14 object pronouns. We have to attach these subject pronouns with this in the ladayya or li. After adding this object pronoun as a suffix, the meaning will be I have, we have, they have, etc. Like li means I have and lana means we have. The na is the object pronoun, na means us, but whenever we attach li, the li becomes la and the meaning will be we have. Lana means we have. Except e, the all other cases the li becomes la, that we have already discussed. Li means I have, but lana means we have. Lahu, it will be lahu. Lahu means he has. Lahuma means they have, dual. Lahum means they have, plural. And laha means she has. Similarly, lahuma, lahunna, laka, lakuma, lakum, laki, lakuma, lakum. The same thing we can put ladayya or ainda. For e, it will be aindi. Aindi, aindna, aindahu, aindahuma, aindahum, aindaha, aindahuma, aindahunna, aindaka, aindikuma, aindikum, aindiki, aindikuma, aindikunna. And for ladayya will be same thing. Ladayya, ladayya a, ladayya na, ladayya hu, ladayya huma, ladayya hum, ladayya ha, ladayya huma, ladayya hunna, ladayya ka, ladayya kuma, ladayya kum, ladayya ki, ladayya kuma, ladayya kunna. This same thing we can I can use in three different way, but thing is same. I have made a table to summarize all the things together for all the 14 pronouns so that you can get the things in a single table. For I have means indi or ladayya or li. We have means indana or ladayana or lana. He has means indahu or ladayyahu or lahu. The three way we can express all the 14 pronouns. For all other pronouns we can say the similar way. Indahuma, ladayyahuma, lahuma. Indahum, ladayyahum, lahum. Indaha, ladayyaha, laha. Indahunna, ladayyahunna, lahunna. Indaka, ladayyaka, laka. Indakuma, indakama, indakuma, lakuma. Indakum, ladayyakum, lakum. Indaki, ladayyaki, laki. Indakuma, ladayyakuma, lakuma. Indakunna, ladayyakunna, lakunna. These are for all the 14 pronouns for present tense have, has, had, have, has. Now this sentence make this previous table negative. I don't have. Just put Lysa. All the 14 pronouns put Lysa, Lysa, Lysa. Then the things make negative. Lysa indi, I don't have. Lysa ladayya, I don't have. Lysa li, I don't have. We don't have Lysa indana or Lysa ladayyana or Lysa lana. He doesn't have, it will be he doesn't have. Lysa indahu or Lysa ladayyahu or Lysa lahu. The same thing for all the 14. Now I make another table for past tense. I had, we had, he had. Kana inda, kana indi, kana ladayya, kana li. I had. We had kana indana, kana ladayyana, kana lana. He had. We had. He had kana indahu or kana ladayyahu or kana lahu. Their dual masculine number kana indahuma or kana ladayyahuma or kana lahuma. They masculine plural number kana indahum or kana ladayyahum or kana lahum. Same thing for all 14 pronouns. And I make the negation of past tense I didn't have. Just put ma. Ma kana indahi, ma kana ladayya, or ma kana li. We didn't have ma kana indana, ma kana ladayyana, ma kana lana. He didn't have ma kana indahu, ma kana ladayyahu, ma kana lahu. Same thing for all the 14. Very simple things, but you may use this sentence in your daily life, the conversation with Arabic peoples or whatever the Arabic language conversation you want to apply. You can apply this 3 different way for this have, has, and have. This is the end of the lesson 22. Thank you for watching.